Hi, my name is Chris Nelson. I'm the CEO of FiberTrap, and today I'm going to explain to you how forming a strategic partnership with FiberTrap can gain you a monumental amount of commercial business. At FiberTrap, we've created microtechnology that attracts, traps, and kills bed bugs, which is used for early detection and monitoring in multi-unit structures, such as hotels, office buildings, and multifamily buildings. Now, we've seen the studies from places like the University of Kentucky that show just how much money they could save by being proactive using things like monitors, mattress covers and such, but these people may not fully understand why it's important to spend money in order to save money. That's why it is so imperative that FiberTrap created a never-seen-before insurance program. When these hotels and other establishments enroll in our preventative maintenance program, which entails laying out our traps in each room. So for the hotels, they'll lay it out in the rooms, and each night housekeeping, as they turn the room, will inspect the traps. In office buildings, it could be your maintenance staff, your cleaning staff, or another staff, depending on the size or type of building. And for multifamily, it's the actual tenant. When you hand a tenant the traps, they place them out, and 30 days later when they go to replace them, they sign off that they actually inspected them. Now by doing this, this is minimizing liability on behalf of all these landlords and working to keep their premises bed bug free. Now, how we work with you on that is we rely on you to roll it out to these other properties. Now, how this works logistically is you get a percentage of all of the revenue that comes from the purchases of the monthly replacement of the traps here. Now, the easy thing for you is when you approach these people, you get to see just how much money you're going to save them. By enrolling in our preventative maintenance program, our insurance partner, on average, is giving hotels and motels a 25% discount on their general liability and property and casualty premiums, and for office and multifamily, 15%. Now, on a percentage basis, that might not look like such a huge amount of money, but let me show you what we just did for somebody in New York City. This is a property that we procured direct to the end user. We got them enrolled in our program and had them get reinsured through our insurance partner. The amount of money that they save per year by having our insurance partner put them in a different assessed risk category by taking a proactive measure to combat bed bugs is they saved $28,000 per year. Okay? The cost of our program to them per year was $18,000. So to their bottom line, by enrolling in our program, they saved $10,000, and that does not encompass all the great benefits of not having the bad online reviews, which can cost $170,000 to $270,000 a month in lost revenue in a 300-room hotel. The office buildings that have to move their tenants or their tenants' workers into hotels while they treat the offices and the apartments that they live in these dense cities. And the multifamily buildings that are going to lose their brand reputation when all the tenants are sharing that they have bed bugs in their building. Now we're able to get across how much money they could save by being proactive while also physically saving an additional $10,000 to the bottom line. Now again, you as the PMP are going to be getting a percentage of all the revenues from the traps sold monthly to these properties, and above that, at FiberTrap, we don't do remediation. That's what we rely on you for. So as soon as these properties find a positive hit in these traps, they're going to call you, and you're going to get the remediation service. Now above that, FiberTrap has some direct-to-end user customers. Okay? Again, we don't do the remediation, which is why we created a national affiliation network. I'm going to do NAN to abbreviate. I apologize for my handwriting. You would think I did not pass third grade penmanship. But when you start enrolling these properties, we add you to our national affiliation network. And let's say we have a property in Georgia, a hotel, and they say, you know what, FiberTrap, we're looking for some help. Maybe we're not happy with how the last PMP was taking care of our property. Do you have any suggestions? Absolutely we do. That's you. So we want to work together, form strategic partnerships with you to roll out this program and help take over all the commercial business and explain and help these landlords and hoteliers see how much money they could save by being preventative. I hope I was able to cover everything for you guys. If you have any questions, you can reach us at info@fibertrap.com, or you can call our headquarters at 631-458-1555. Thank you.